Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 63 of Surah Al-A'raf and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أوعجبتم أن جاءكم ذكر من ربكم. A Hamza is sharp. Fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Makhraj of is circle in your lips. Fatha upon your jaws. Ain from your throat. Fatha upon your jaws. Jib. For kasra give E sound attached ba. Ba will get sifa of qalqala. It should be very clear. Jib. Tum. For dhamma circle lips attached mim. You will get sifa of tawassut. The makhraj of jim is middle part of your tongue is lifting towards your palate, so this should be lifted up little to create this ikhfa, and you're keeping the sound in your nose. Ja. Mad munfasil jais, make it 4 counts long. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Kum, for the circle lips attached with mim, you will get sip of the wasut. Dik, for kasra give e sound attached with kaf, kaf will get sip of humps, and humps is flow of breath. Dik, urum, ra will get sifa of vibration, takrar, and then it is idgham with gunna, and this gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Rum, mir. This idgham is without gunna, so you are not keeping the sound in your nose at all. But consider as noon is not there at all. This meme is directly attached with ra. Ra will be heavy, and ra will get sifa of tawasut first, and takrar should be there. Mir, rab, ra is heavy for fatha upon just attached with ba. Ba will get sifa of shidda. Shidda is means the makhraj will cut off the sound abruptly. Rabi, focus give E sound, the sound is short. Kum, for the circle lips attached with mim, you will get sifa of the wasut. Ain from your throat, for fatha upon just. La, 2 comes long. Ra is heavy with little vibration. Ra, ju, for the circle lips, the sound is short. Lim, idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ming, this ikhfa is like ink. You're about to say ink because with kaf, this ikhfa is little different. And yes, you're hiding the sound into your nose. This is very compulsory for every ikhfa. Ming, kum, for the circle lips, the sound is short. Attach it mim, you will get sifa of tawasut. Li, for kasra give e sound. Yung, for the circle lips, and then there is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light, so keep your tongue straight. Yung, the, for kasra give e sound. Ra is heavy for fatha upon just the sound is short. Kum, for the circle lips attached with mim, you will get sifa of tawassut. Wa, makhraj of waw is circling your lips for fatha open your jaws. Li, for kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Tat, for fatha upon jaws attached ta, this ta will get sifa of shidda, the sound will cut off abruptly. Tat, ta, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. O, for the circle lips, and qaf is heavy, make it 2 counts long. Huwa, makhraj of waw circle in your lips, for fatha upon jaws. La, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Al, ain from your throat nicely attached with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. La, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Kum, for the circle lips attached with mim, you will get sifa of tawassut. Tur, ta is light for the circle lips set attached with ra. Ra will be heavy, not ta. And ra, why ra is heavy? Because there is the ma before it, and ra will get sifa of tawassut and takrar. Tur, ha, ha from middle part of your throat with humps for fatha upon your jaws. moon. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this two counts long goal into four. This is madarit lissakun. أَوَعَجِبْتُمْ أَنْ جَاءَكُمْ ذِكْرٌ مِّن رَّبِّكُمْ على رجل منكم لينذركم ولتتقوا ولعلكم ترحمون. ف give hams and fa for top on jaws. كذ for top on jaws attached to the dal. Dal will get sipa of rokhawa. The for top on jaws the sound is short. Woo for the ma circle lips make it two sounds long. Who for the ma circle lips the sound is short. F give hams and fa for top on jaws. This is ikhfa. The important, very important part of ikhfa is gunna. Mm. J for fatha upon jaws attach with ya. Ya will get this is yailin, so make it soft when you're attaching fatha with ya. Na two counts long. Who for the ma circle lips the sound is short. Well makharaj of waw circling your lips attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. La for fatha upon jaws the sound is short. The two counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws the sound is short. Ma for fatha upon jaws the sound is short. A from middle part of your throat for fatha upon jaws. Who make it two counts long for the ma circle lips. Feel give hams and fa for kasra give e sound attach with lam. Lam will get sip of tafasud. This fa is not anymore long because it is attached with coming up second letter. Full for the ma circle lips attached with lam. Lam will get sip of tafasud. Ki for kasra give e sound. Wa makhraj of waw circle in your lips for fatha upon jaws. Aw hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws attached with ghain. Ghain will get sipa of rakhawa and it is heavy and it has infitah. أو راق ra is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached with qaf will be heavy too. راق Nal for fatha upon jaws attached with lam will get sip of tawassut. La for fatha upon jaws the sound is short. The two counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws the sound is short. Kadh for fatha upon jaws attached with zal will get sip of rakhawa. The for fatha upon jaws the sound is short. Woo for the ma circle lips make it two counts long. B for kasra give e sound. The sound is short. Two counts long. Yeah, keep it light and make it two counts long. T sharp sound for kasra give e sound. The sound is short. Na two counts long. Why it is two counts long? Because we are giving waqf. If we will continue our recitation, then we will make it four counts long because we will be considering this hamza if we are continuing our recitation. But if we are giving waqf, then we are not considering anything coming up, so we will make it two counts simply. Nah, that's it. In for kasra give e sound attached with nun will get sifa of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na for fatha upon jaws the sound is short. Hum for the circle ellipse attached with mim will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu ithar. Kaf is light, make it two counts long. No for the circle ellipse, make it two counts long. Qaf is heavy and this waw is lean. When you are attaching fatha with waw, you are making it soft. Qaw man sifa is tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Me because of this work, you are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this two counts long goal into four. This is madarid lissakun. فكذبوه فأنجيناه ونجيناه والذين معه في الفلك وأغرقنا الذين كذبوا بآياتنا إنهم كانوا قوما عمين. ومخرج الطاء circle in your lips فتح open jaws E focus give E sound La 2 counts long Ain from your throat make it 2 counts long because Ain is light Alif is light too Din suffice the wasut and حكمه إظهار Hamza is sharp فتح open jaws Kha is heavy make it 2 counts long Home for the circle lips attach it me will get sifa of the wasut Who for the circle ellipse make it 2 counts long. The 2 counts long. Because of qaf, alif is heavy too, make it 2 counts long. La for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ya soft, make it 2 counts long. Qaf is heavy. When you are attaching with waw, you are making it soft because waw is lean. Ni focus give e sound attached with ain. Ain will get sifa of the wasut and ain should be from your middle part of your throat. Wu for the circle lips, the sound is short. Dullah. Dal is light and it is not anymore long because it is attached with lafz jalala and lafz jalala will be heavy because there is dhamma before it. Dullah. Ha for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ma 2 counts long. La for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Kum for the ma circle ellipse and then there is ikhfa shafawi. Idgham shafawi. You are merging this meme into this meme, so this idgham will definitely get gunna, which will be akmal. Kum min focus give e sound attached. Noon will get sifa of the wasut and hukmu idhar. E focus give e sound. La 2 counts long. Hin sifa is the wasut and hukmuhu idhar. Ghain is heavy. Ya is lean. So when you are attaching fatha with ya, you're making it soft. Ruh. Ra will get little takrar for the circle lips. Ra will be heavy because there is the on it. And as you will touch ha, because ha will get sukoon now because of this waqf, and ha will get sifa for because it is with sukoon now. Ruh. Hamza is sharp for fatha open jaws. F give hamza in fa for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. La 2 counts long. Tat ta is sharp and attached with sharp sound of ta. Tat ta. There is no flow of sound in both ta. Un. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned these 2 counts long all into 4. This is mad arid, this sukoon. وإلى عاد أخاهم هودا قال يا قوم اعبدوا الله ما لكم من إله غيره أفلا تتقون يا قوم اعبدوا الله ما لكم من إله غيره قال يا قوم اعبدوا الله ما لكم من إله غيره أفلا تتقون. Qaf is heavy, and because Qaf is heavy, this alif is heavy too. Lal for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifat tawassut. Ma for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. La the sound is short and light. Ma la ul. Hamza is sharp for dhamma circle ellipse attached with lam. Lam will get sifat tawassut. La for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. The gives up the bind dal, make it two counts long. Na for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ka kaf is light for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Fa give him hums in fa for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ru for the circle ellipse and make it two counts long with the crowd in raw. Mim for kasra give e sound, and then this ikhfa is heavy because cough is among heavy letter. Definitely you're lifting your tongue up, but you're not circling your lips at all to make this ikhfa heavy. Miya qawmi, me for kasra give e sound. He mad munfasil jais, make it four counts long. In hamza is sharp for kasra, give e sound attach it. Nun gets sifa kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for longer time. Na two counts long. La for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Na for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ra give takrar in raw and then make it two counts long. Raw and raw is heavy too because there is fatha on it. Raw ka for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Fi give hums in fa, make it two counts long. Sa give whistle in sin for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Fa give hums in fa, make it two counts long. Ha for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Tiu idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Huwa makhraj of circle in your lips for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. In hamza is sharp for kasra, give e sound attach with noon. Noon you get sifa kunna. This kunna is akmal. Na two counts long. La for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Na for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Dhun, dha is heavy for the circle lips attach with noon. As you will touch noon, your lips should be in a straight position first. Dhun, and give longer gunna, akmal gunna, and then you will circle your lips to make give it dhamma. Dhunnu for the circle lips and the sound is short. Ka for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Mi for kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Nal for fatha open jaws attach with lam, lam will get sifa of the wasut. Ka two counts long. The give zab zaba and zal for kasra give e sound. Bin because of this fact we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this two counts long goal into four. This is madarid lis sukun. قال الملأ الذين كفروا من قومه إنا لنراك في سفاهة وإنا لنظنك من الكاذبين. Qaf is heavy because of this qaf. Alif is heavy too, make it two counts long. La for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ya is soft, make it two counts long. Qaf is heavy. Mi for kasra give e sound. Lay ya is lean. So when you are attaching fatha with ya, you are making it soft. Sa for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. B two counts long. Sa give whistle in scene for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Fa give hums in fa, make it two counts long. Ha for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Tu idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Huwa makhraj of waw is circling your lips for fatha open jaws. La two counts long. Kin for kasra give e sound attach with noon. Noon gets sifa kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ni two counts long. Ra is heavy with the crowd little. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Su for the circle lips, make it two counts long. Lum idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mir meme is light, attach it raw will be heavy, and this idgham is without gunna, so you are not keeping the sound in your nose at all. Mir raw will get takrar, and raw will be heavy, and raw will get sifab tawassut, and raw is short. Mir rab, and ba will get sifa of shidda. The sound will cut off abruptly. Rabbil, focus give E sound attached with lam. Now we'll get sifa of tawassut. Ah, two counts long. La, for fatha open just the sound is short. Mean, because of this fuck, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long hold into four. This is madarat lis sukoon. قال الملأ الذين كفروا من قومه إنا إنا لنراك في سفاهة وإنا وإنا لنظنك من الكاذبين قال يا قوم ليس بي سفاهة ولكني رسول من رب العالمين سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.